Repairing, gluing and fixing things around the home may leave marks. Use FILA ZEROSIL, your ally for removing any kind of silicone, glue or adhesive tape residue. FILA ZEROSIL is easy to use in just 3 simple steps. First of all, remove any raised residue with a sharp blade without damaging the surface. Then shake the product and apply undiluted, covering the marked area completely. Leave for 20 minutes. The residue will dissolve and you can remove it with the spatula provided in the kit. To finish, wipe up the residue with a cloth or absorbent kitchen towel. All traces will have completely disappeared. Perfect results in just a few simple steps. FILA ZEROSIL works in 20 minutes on both new marks and old stubborn residues. Its special viscous consistency makes application on walls and vertical surfaces a lot easier. Remember, you can also use FILA ZEROSIL to remove glue, adhesive tape residue, resin and wax residues. FILA ZEROSIL, your ally for removing any kind of silicone or glue residue. Available from FILA stockists.